Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Solia's Life. In front of me I have the pieces that I will be working with. First we have one side and two sides of the bust cup. We also have a liner. We also have a strap for under the bust area, and all the way to the back there's a strap that lines the front area or the side area of the bust cup, and there's also a strap that goes from the front or the side area of the bust cup all the way that joins towards the underbust strap. So there's the underbust strap, the shoulder strap, and the strap for the lining of the bra. So these are the two sections. What I did before I cut the liner, I placed a 2-inch dart on the outer layer of the bra cup. I stitched it down, and then I placed the bra cup on the liner and cut it out. Doing it this way, you're just gonna have to make one dart, and that's it. If you cut the two of them together the same exact way, then you're gonna have to line up the darts and do two darts, one on the liner and one on the outer layer. So this will be the easier option. So once again, when you cut the outer liner, the outer pattern out, you place a dart about 2 inches in length, stitch it down, and then you go ahead and cut the liner. The width of the other straps depend on you. There's no it's no direct measurements. Whatever you're comfortable with, that's the size, because you could make the underbust strap thicker, you could make it thinner. It doesn't matter, it's just preference. So these are the pieces, once again, that I'll be working with. So to begin, what I did was I placed both the cup sections, I placed them wrong side facing each other. So you have the right side to the front and the liner right side. So they're both wrong side facing each other. I pinned them down in line with each other. First, what you're going to do is take two of the straps. You're going to place one on the outer layer. You're going to place the other one on the other side on the outer layer. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch this strap all the way down, and I'm going to do the same thing with this strap. I'm going to go ahead and stitch it all the way down. So it's going to come from one end to the other end. You're going to do the same thing here from one end to the other end. So I'm going to stitch that down. You also have another strap. This strap goes on the front section. So you're going to take this strap and go all the way down from the front section and go all the way to the back. So it's going to go like that all the way. So you're going to go ahead and do this, and then you're going to flip it over and flat stitch it down the other way. So I'm going to go ahead now and stitch the two side liners onto the bra, and then I'll be back to show you what we're going to do next. So here we have the two bust pieces. The darts is placed on the outer liner. It's edged around both sides, and the strap is attached. So this is what it looks like front and back. Also, we have the band that goes on the underbust area. So I'm going to now work on attaching the band to the underbust. Also, what I did, I cut another strip just in case you want to use the same color as the bralette for the strap. You could go ahead and do that. Here I cut the same exact, and you could cut it the same length. Also, I did a contrast color for the strap to the underneath. So either way, it will work. So I did it 3 inches in width. The length is the preference of your choice. So here we have, so I'm going to go ahead now and attach the strap. The reason why I showed you a double piece is because I wanted to show you the difference If you're using just one strap, you're going to go ahead and find the middle of the strap, and then you're going to go ahead and fold it. You're going to do 1/2 inch in, and you're going to do 1/2 inch on the other side, and then you're going to fold it over this way. So you could do it this way, and then the bra area is going to come in here, and the other one you just place it, and then you go ahead and fold this one over, you pin it down, and you just flat stitch it all the way around. That's one option. The other option is you place the strap, you also place the bra onto the strap, and then you take the other section and you place it on top of that, and you go ahead and stitch all the way down. So the option really depends on you or your client, which they prefer. So those are the options. You could use either or. So I'm going to go ahead and join the strap to the bralette cups, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like.